Who's the other young man?
My lord, the other young man is Hamza.
Page 18.
And my lord, both of them have helped me, and I would ask if their assistance may be recorded, Ji.
Have they been of assistance to you?
Of great and immense, my lord. I couldn't have done it without them.
Page 18 से miracle start.
Page जी पहले my lord page 18 पे nomination form है, and the relevant bit is page 20. My lord, can I ask my colleague, the DG Law, to help me read the Urdu? I beg your pardon.
DG, किधर page?
Page 20. This is what is called the Declaration on Oath of Nominated Candidate.
T is an ID card here.
Page 20.
जी sir.
मेरा ताल्लुक सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस पीटीआई से है.
My lord has read it for me, जी.
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस.
But आगे भी देखें क्या लिखा हुआ है. So it says Sunni Ittihad Council, and then in brackets it says Alliance PTI.
I think my booklet has a totally different set.
Oh, I'm very sorry, sir.
You have the 20.
I can give my.
ये nomination title दिखाएं nomination paper.
No, it's a totally different.
नहीं इधर लिखा क्या?
And mine also.
इसके साथ सर्टिफिकेट किसका है?
मेरे पास
आता हूँ सर, very interesting. अभी आप देखिए क्या होता क्या है.
एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट का है.
सर अभी ये बता रहा हूँ. Sir, I may be allowed to argue please from my book with my record.
That's okay.
Thank
It's
you,
page
my
24
friend.
Of this booklet.
My learned friend, thank you.
ठीक, पेज 24 है जी, करें.
अच्छा, my lord, I think sometime.
पढ़ लें आप.
आपका page 24 is the
Please
declaration.
we have it with us.
Sir, I have a confusion of the pages. मेरा 20 है.
Doesn't matter. आप 20 से
टाइटल बता दें क्या है?
टाइटल है नामजद का
नामजद फर्द की तरफ से इकरारनामा और बैन हल्फ.
टाइटल क्या है?
माइक में बोले.
पेज का टाइटल सर
जो पढ़ने बिकॉज नंबरिंग आगे पीछे
उसका है
नामजद फर्द की तरफ से इकरारनामा और बैन हल्फी.
हाँ यही है.
ऊपर टॉप पे.
हाँ ये मिल गया. हाँ ये 20 पेज.
My lord, I apologize for
ठीक है ठीक है. तो क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं आप?
दिखाना चाहते हैं कि जी उन्होंने कहा कि मैं सुन्नी इत्तेहाद
PTI
ब्रैकेट अलायंस. ठीक है सर, अब जाते हैं आगे.
Just on this very point, is there a concept of alliance in the election laws?
Yes, there is. There can be a combination of political parties.
Which provision is that?
215.
I think it's section 215, subsection 2.
2152, sir. That is regulated. This hasn't been. My lord, I may clarify that the ECP has no notice of any alliance.
No, I'm just asking theoretically.
But theoretically, 215.
तो वो एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट बता देना, वो जरूरी है ना. अलायंस अगर हो भी.
जी जी. I'm just answering the question, and अभी मैं सर्टिफिकेट पे आ रहा हूँ.
वो सर्टिफिकेट कौन से पेज?
सर्टिफिकेट पे आते हैं सर. ये
तो आप क्या अलायंस के जरिए तो वो आ सकते थे ना?
नहीं सर,
उन्होंने नहीं फाइल किया.
Sir, alliance if had
नहीं have they filed alliance papers?
नहीं. If an alliance had, sir, this is completely up in the air, frankly.
No, but I'm just saying the whole problem could have been easily resolved if they had come as an alliance.
Sir, could have to. My Lord the Chief Justice has, I think, mentioned about 4 different things that could have been done, which I wouldn't have been standing here. And they would never.
You may not answer the question posed to you by the Chief.
Thank you, sir. Sir, so certificate page 12 पे है sir.
Page
12. मेरा page 12 है. It looks like this because I know the safas are mixed up and I apologize.
Pakistan Tehreek Insaf.
That's right. It is dated the 13th and it is the Pakistan Tehreek Insaf, but it doesn't finish here, my lord. Then there is a letter on page 11. Because my lord, remember, he himself has said, I won election on Tower.
आगे 11 पे
Page 11 पे आता है जी.
ये पढ़ दें.
May I ask?
Yes.
Arshad have to read it for me, please.
With the permission of the Honorable Court. बखिदमत जनाब.
जरा माइक.
बखिदमत जनाब आर.ओ. साहिब, नेशनल असम्बली NA 104 फैसलाबाद, दरख्वास्त बमुराद निशान व इलाट अगर बला नहीं दिया जाता तो शटल कॉक दिया जाए। और जनाब आली गुजारिश है कि अगर साइल को निशान बला नहीं दिया जा सकता है चूँकि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तान में अभी केस का फैसला पेंडिंग है, बराए मेहरबानी अगर बेट बहाल होता है तो बला दिया जाए और अगर बला बहाल नहीं होता तो शटल कॉक दे दिया जाए। अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट बहाल कर देती है तो बला दिया जाए। बजरिए कौंसल चौधरी मोहम्मद इरफान, अथॉरिटी लेटर।
अच्छा सर,
किसकी तरफ से दिया जा रहा है?
It doesn't end here. So he says, give me an independent symbol and I want the symbol of shuttlecock. So shuttlecock was not available. So there is a further order now, my lord.
ये लेटर किसके बिहाफ पे लिखा जा रहा है?
My lord, वो खुद से लिख रहा है. The candidate chairman of the appellate is writing through his attorney as an authority letter, but this is him. He is seeking this and he is addressing it to the RO.
अगर आप पेज 12 पे आ जाए,
जी.
So doesn't this contradict or doesn't it nullify your statement earlier made where you said that PTI की तरफ से कोई सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आया था?
My lord, PTI की तरफ से PTI का कैंडिडेट का ये तो SIC के चेयरमैन है जिन्होंने
हमने आपसे एक सवाल पूछा। बिल्कुल जी। आपसे सवाल ये पूछा था कि इलेक्शन के टाइम पे जब नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स ये लोग जमा कर रहे थे प्रोसेस में, क्या इन लोगों ने पीटीआई की सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट किया? आपने कहा
मैंने नहीं देखे सर। एट द टाइम ऑफ फाइलिंग ऑफ नॉमिनेशन पेपर, दैट्स व्हाट आई सेड एंड देन आई सेड सर कि मैं आपको रिकॉर्ड से बताऊंगा कि हुआ क्या है, बिकॉज़ देयर हैज बीन 3 डिफरेंट, आई केप्ट ऑन चेंजिंग सेइंग दैट सर कि मैं आपको रिकॉर्ड से बताऊंगा।
हम आपसे दोबारा से
ये सिर्फ इनका आया था या सबका आया था?
माय लॉर्ड, ये बाकी मैं अभी एक और सैंपल दिखा देता हूँ। बाकी में ये हुआ है कि उन्होंने उनके फॉर्म में लिखा है PTI, उन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट दिया PTI N का,
वो आप दिखाएंगे तो पता चलेगा ना जी, सारा रिकॉर्ड
उन्होंने यहाँ पे इंडिपेंडेंट के तौर पे
रिकॉर्ड दिखाएंगे।
एक मिनट यहाँ पे जरा देख ले।
ये तो कैन आई जस्ट कंप्लीट दिस
सिकंदर साहब, ये जो सर्टिफिकेट है PTI की तरफ से, ये बावजूद इसके कि चेयरमैन थे सुनीत यादव, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि वहां से मैं नहीं लड़ना चाहता हूँ। He opted to contest election on the affiliation certificate of PTI, which was granted.
No, sir.
This is the certificate.
नहीं, because he then immediately withdraws it and said, "मुझे shuttlecock दे."
No, but it's not why. He said because the case is pending. He gave you an alternate plea.
ये देखिए, ये जो
ये फॉर्म 33 देख लें, इसमें आंसर लिखा हुआ है कि उनको आखिर में क्या मिला, प्लीज।
देखिए सर्टिफिकेट पेज 12 पे जरा देखिए। जी। इस पर ये नहीं लिखा हुआ ये किस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के लिए, इट इज ब्लैंक।
सर नहीं, ऊपर देखिए सर, थोड़ा सा वो फेडेड सा है बट कंस्टिट्यूएंसी की जगह बनी हुई है और ऊपर कुछ लिखा हुआ है, बट यस आई कैन नॉट रीड इट स्ट्रेट ऑफ द
कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी का नंबर पड़ा हुआ है
सर, उसका 104 था ना सर, तो सर आई कैन रीड 104 हियर। It says 104।
ये तो जाहिर हुआ कि सर्टिफिकेट तो मिला था लेकिन इशू सिंबल का था। अब सिंबल के बाद
ये एक, my lord, I will answer because I know, my lord, this is the exception. All the other ones are N tickets.
अदर पे बाद में जाएंगे, पहले तो ये है
बिल्कुल ठीक है।
अगर सुन्नी इत्तेहाद का बंदा नहीं है, वो आजाद खड़ा था और लेकिन PTI के, तो एक कैंडिडेट तो आ गया।
सर ठीक है, आप
एक आ गया,
सर, if my lord wants to read it as that,
आपने कहा कि एक में सब ज्वाइन करेंगे।
नहीं, मैंने ये नहीं कहा सर, मैंने कहा वो जीतेगा भी आखिर में, वो जीतेगा एक सीट। I keep on emphasizing that he's got to win one seat. Now, my lord, let me just finish this, and I'll give one more sample. And my lord, please allow me this much indulgence that there are 81 alone सिर्फ NA seats. This 81, 85, 86 कहा जाता है, 81 है मेरे मैथ्स के मुताबिक। I have gone on a sample, I am counsel, and I am acting on instructions. And I have been told that this is a representative sample. So please allow me this much as counsel, because I don't want to be seen as having given anything inaccurate.
But Mr. Counsel,
so that goes to the DG law and the, sir, page 9 pe, my lord, sir.
Now you've shown us the nomination form of this gentleman, in which, as I understand it, he said, I am affiliated with SIC, a registered political party.
That's right.
Then he produced the certificate, the certificate of Tehreek-e-Insaf.
That's right.
And for whatever reason, he said that if the Tehreek-e-Insaf doesn't get the bat, give me the shuttlecock. You ended up giving him the tower.
The tower because the shuttlecock wasn't available.
Yes,
वो तो minor चीज़ है.
yes. My question to you is, why did you not apply Section 67, subsection 2 to him?
A candidate, my lord, because this again brings me to the same 215 है ये.
Kindly पढ़ें से.
जी.
Kindly पढ़िए तो सही.
A candidate nominated by Mr. 12 hold them. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the Commission to that political party under the provisions of Chapter 12 and no other symbol.
So, why didn't you ask this gentleman that, look, you are saying you are nominated by SIC, you are producing a nomination form of PTI, please produce the nomination form of SIC because that is your that is the party with which on your form you say you are affiliated, because we cannot grant you, and here is a party, the SIC, at that point in time, on 13th of January, that could have given him the certificate, presumably.
He was the chairman himself, sir.
Whatever.
Presumably,
whatever.
He's the chairman.
Whatever, and we cannot give you any other symbol. Why did you accede to his request, contrary to the express provisions
I
of
can,
the law?
in a lighter way, I was enforcing his Article 17 rights.
No, this is a very serious
नहीं, मैं serious answer भी देता हूँ.
The subsection 2 prohibited you from giving him any other symbol. Why did you not tell him either produce your nomination form doesn't say you don't belong to a political party. It says you belong to SIC. Whether you
Before even I could do that, he came back and said, give me shuttlecock.
But why did you accede to that request?
So, sir, because
Subsection 2 prohibits.
So I should have disqualified him.
वो लेटर की डेट क्या है जो आपने अभी पढ़ी
prohibits you from doing it.
डेट बताइए.
लेटर की
जिसमें उसने कहा है मुझे अल्टरनेट में शटलकॉक दे दो.
11 की डेट है जी वो.
ये भी बताइए ना.
Sorry, I beg your pardon.
देखिए वकील साहब, जो सवाल इसके अंदर बनता है वो ये है कि you had two political parties before you.
It's 20, sorry जी. It's 20 जी. नहीं 20 नहीं है, वो खत का मैं कह रहा हूँ.
देखिए इसमें सवाल ये बनता है, if you want for the time being to put aside your own order of 2nd of February, सवाल ये बनता है that you had two political parties or two sets of candidates. Here is a gentleman whose form says SIC. You would have said, well, subsection 2 says because SIC could have given. Whether they chose to do that is a different enough, sir. But in the case of the PTI, the problem was that here were candidates nominated by PTI, but they couldn't get that symbol. Why? Because of first your order and then ultimately the judgment of the Supreme Court. The question becomes, you are saying we treat everyone as independent. My question to you is, you did have the power to do something. You could have, if you had chosen. सुन तो ले.
Sir, I'm understanding my Lord's question. I apologize, sir.
I'm sorry.
I'm following what you're saying. My brain is saying that. I apologize.
When you do this, you are disagreeing.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
देखिए इसके अंदर the problem with PTI, which is distinct from the problem of this gentleman.
Yes, it is. It is distinct.
It was that the election symbol could not be given to them, right? Now you had candidates floated by a registered, enlisted, whatever you call it, political party, who were nominated by that political party. That nomination was never withdrawn. I'm not talking of the symbol, I'm talking of the form. Who never resigned from that. I'm saying, okay, for the time being, let's put aside your order of the 2nd of February, which forced them apparently to do whatever they did, but let's put that aside for the moment. You are the Election Commission. You want to encourage political parties. Here is a very unusual situation where a political party cannot give that election symbol. Cannot. Why? Because of the judgment of the Supreme Court. I think that you have.
वकील हैं.
I think you had sufficient power to do something about it.
आपने से बात.
Kindly read.
Take instructions.
Kindly read section 240 of your act.
हाँ जी. ये तो rules हैं. अच्छा मुझे act दिखा दो.
Mr. Sikandar Sahab, repeatedly judgment of the Supreme Court, it makes it sound that there's no law.
Where's my act?
It refers to, I said, if we are going to refer to the judgment, then let's read something from the judgment.
मैं वैसे
It refers to a law. Yes. It was about not holding of intra-party elections.
I had the privilege of
ठहर तो जाइए ना, intra-party elections की बात हो रही है, ठीक है? As a consequence of this, things may happen or may not happen. Now, the election, I was going to ask you, were ever intra-party elections held?
Not to the ECP's knowledge since the judgment, sir.
Yes.
Not
knowledge क्या आपको बाकायदा वो फॉर्म शॉर्म करना होता है ना.
जी.
तो ये वो काम तो नहीं करेंगे. इलेक्शन नहीं कराना है. जमहूरियत की जरूर बात करना है, मगर अपनी पार्टी में इलेक्शन नहीं कराना है. कोई बाहर वाले तो नहीं आके लड़ेंगे ना, अंदर वाले ही लड़ेंगे ना इलेक्शन. कोई पीपल्स पार्टी वाला, मुस्लिम लीग वाला तो नहीं लड़ सकता इलेक्शन. और इवन जनरल पब्लिक, यू कैन ओनली दोज विल contest who are members of that political party. So it is perpetually being said. And I take sort of exception to it. Either a reference should be made to the judgment where it says this, it relies upon the law which the Supreme Court does not enact. The law stands still today.
It was enacted by the same political party.
वो ठीक है, आपने उसका ओपनिंग देख लें. वो तो कह रहे थे 3 साल हामिद खान साहब की तकरीर से हमने कोट किया है ओपनिंग जजमेंट में. उनने कहा था 5 साल, पता नहीं क्या 3 साल बाद इलेक्शंस होना चाहिए. वो दूसरी पार्टीज ने कहा नहीं, उन्होंने कहा 3 साल हो ना, उन्होंने कहा जी 5 साल होना चाहिए. ठीक है, अब वो सारी चीजें आप नजरअंदाज करते हैं और बैट पे चलने लगे हैं. तो फिर इन अदर वर्ड्स, इफ एंड इवन आई वोंट इवन एक्सेप्ट if, first of all, a man should not use the term barrister with his name because it's violation of the UK law. You are an ASC or you're an advocate, you're not enrolled. ठहर जाइए ना, पूरी बात सुन लीजिए ना. ठीक है, तो अभी ये जो एक पिटिशन उन्होंने फाइल किया उसमें लिखा था चेयरमैन इज इमरान खान. ठीक है, ये सारी बातों का वजाहत है. हमारा काम नहीं है देखने के लिए कौन किसको इलेक्ट करता है. 91 पोस्ट थी PTI में. वो सारी बातें आपको बात करना है जजमेंट की, पढ़ के बात करें. और ये पैराग्राफ का जिक्र करें, वो पैराग्राफ 91 में से सारी अनअपोज आए हैं. 91 में से एक ने उनकी 50,000 रुपए टिकट फीस थी नहीं जमा की. सारी बातों का तस्करा हुआ है. भाई हम आपको कह रहे हैं, आप खुद कह रहे हो इलेक्शन कमीशन को खत लिखा कि मुझे 1 साल दे दीजिए, मैं इलेक्शन कर रहा हूं. कब आप ये खत लिख रहे हो? जब आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान है. अब तो आप उनके शायद दुश्मन हो गए. उस वक्त आपने आपकी भी फराख दिली देखिए, आपको एक सेकंड ठहर जाइए, फराख दिली देखिए, आपने भी 1 साल दे दिया. जब ये बातें ऐसे तरीके से, सॉरी टू से, ये मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करूंगा. इट्स अ जजमेंट. If someone has reservations about the judgment, that's another thing. Or quote from the judgment where something is said. Judgment did it, forgetting the law part of it. But there is the law of Pakistan which has been mentioned in the judgment. आपको कौन रोक रहा है भाई आज करा लो इलेक्शन, उसके बाद वक्त इलेक्शन करा लेते. I don't understand why this adamancy not to hold an election in your party. भाई ठीक है, आप कर दें इलेक्शन. अब उसमें क्या review will not change the fact that elections have to be held or not held. I don't understand. The fact is all that is become election क्या लाजमी नहीं है? या तो कह दें आके पिटीशन फाइल कर दें हम इलेक्शन नहीं कराएंगे. इसी को जमहूरियत कहते हैं. डेमोक्रेसी इन योर हाउस, डेमोक्रेसी आउटसाइड द वर्ल्ड. अब हमारे यहाँ भी हमने जमहूरियत के तकाजे अडॉप्ट कर लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रोसीजर एक्ट से. हम भी कहते छोड़ो भाई, एक मैं हूँ, आई एम ऑल इन ऑल. भाई जमहूरियत का तकाजा था ना कि नहीं 3 मेंबर कमेटी बन जाए। सो ये देखें या करें कि बार बार आप एक्स्ट्रा कर रहे हैं, मैं नहीं करना चाह रहा था, मुझे आप मजबूर हो रहे हूं।
प्लीज आप डोंट हैव टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू इट। आप अपने जो आपकी सबमिशंस हैं प्लीज उसको प्लीज
फॉर्मुलेशंस ही नहीं खत्म की,
आप प्लीज कर लेना।
आप जरा काइंडली पहले सेक्शन 240 तो पढ़े ना, ताकि ये बात तो खत्म हो।
Section 240 G.
Kindly read it.
If any difficulty arises in giving effect to any of the provisions of this Act, the Commission may, with the approval of the President, make such provisions for the removal of the difficulty as it may deem fit, and any order shall be published on the website of the Commission.
Now it seems to me that here was a difficulty. Here were candidates fielded by a political party for whatever reason. Let's not go into that, your order, whatever order. As a matter of law, they could not be given that election symbol. Could not, as a matter of law. A major national level political party which 2 years before that or 3 years formed the federal government. Instead of saying, we have this binary approach, either you are fielded candidate of political party or you are independent as per your order for whatever reasoning.
My formulation.
You could have taken recourse to section 240. You could have said, here is a difficulty. We recognize that this is an enlisted political party. We recognize they've fielded candidates. We cannot give them that symbol of the political party. A direct application of subsection 2, section 67(2) in this case, as a matter of law, cannot happen because that would have catastrophic consequences. So here is a difficulty. Let us take recourse to section 240. Let us make an order saying these are the candidates who will be given non-bad symbols, what you call independent symbols, but non-bad symbols. But we, the Election Commission, make it clear that these are candidates fielded by this political party. That would have been following the democratic mandate of holding proper elections. Because practically, even legally to a certain extent, to some extent you could say.
आपको कोई difficulty any provisions of this act? ठीक है.
The effect would be that that party stood disenfranchised. So here was a situation. Now I am contrasting that with the SIC. The SIC.
I know. My lord, वो एक
Was such
exception
an
है.
application submitted to you?
Sorry?
Was such an application submitted to you to invoke powers under section 240?
No, my lord. And I'll add.
Fine.
एक और चीज मैं add कर दूं, my
Doesn't
lord.
require any application. Your power.
My lord,
Sikandar Saab.
this all happened at the RO level. Please remember that no appeal was filed that this would have come up all the way to the election commission.
आगे बढ़े ना please.
सिकंदर
Sir, मेरी अगली formulation, my lord, ये है.
सिकंदर साहब मेरा एक question है.
Second का तो आपका order है ना.
Sorry.
सिकंदर
My lord, but I thought we were going to leave that also.
सिकंदर साहब
Challenge हो गया था.
Sikandar Saab, there are two, I think we are confusing two things. One is the judgment of this court regarding symbol. The other thing
Sorry, I will interrupt regarding intra-party elections.
Yes.
No,
See, please, there's a big distinction.
IPE case.
Either read it and say that or
the intra-party,
ये इसकी
the
review pending है. अगर आपने इतना यहीं discuss कर लेना है तो फिर review.
मैं तो नहीं करना चाह रहा. मैं तो अपनी formulation पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ.
No, I will now
My lord will rescue me.
No, now I will not rescue because you were responding to the question. Now I think you'll have to face the
बात नहीं, एक तरफ क्या रिव्यू कर रहे हो फिर उस पे आप तबसरा कर रहे हैं. दोनों बातें नहीं हो सकती.
ये बताइए,
अगर रिव्यू पेंडिंग है तो रिव्यू को चलना चाहिए या नहीं चलना चाहिए या यहीं चलेगी रिव्यू. आप यहीं लगा.
One member of that court has had open heart surgery. She is recuperating. So please, snide remarks on the judgment are not acceptable. If a review is pending, this I say, a matter of constitutional law, any other bench should not discuss it. Okay? Or if you want to make snide remarks, then please read the judgment at least. That to that extent you can do so. It's part of the legal judgment of Pakistan.
ये देखो ना.
I will come.
एक second, Sikandar.
Please आगे चलिए.
Sikandar, let me complete my question.
My lord.
No one is questioning the legality of that judgment. My question to you is,
while the commission was arguing before this court, आपने जो formulations बनाई हैं, did you inform the court then that if they don't have a common symbol, they would not be able to contest as political party candidates?
My Lord, now,
because that consequence.
My Lord, with utmost respect, I am saying that I think the best course is that, and I've taken guidance from the observations. I am going to respond to all of these related questions by saying that there is a review pending, and I am not counsel in that review. I am not instructed. So, my Lord, I will move to my formulation number 5.
I think now you've come on the track.
My Lord, I'm slow. Like a tube light, but
ट्रैक पे आने से पहले एक बात का सिंपली कम से कम ये बात तो तय है ना कि उस जजमेंट में आपको मना नहीं किया गया, न किसी पार्टी को उनके राइट्स जो एक्ट देता है उससे डिप्राइव नहीं किया गया, ये बात दुरुस्त है?
सर मैं कहूंगा कि देयर इज अ रिव्यू पेंडिंग जजमेंट इन व्हिच
I think that's the appropriate answer.
जब तक रिव्यू पेंडिंग है, आपसे एक सवाल है. No, judgment you can read judgment, it is in field. Unless and until it's set aside, उस जजमेंट में कतन ये बात नहीं लिखी गई, जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ी है जजमेंट, उसमें कतन कहीं पे ये बात नहीं आई कि इस जजमेंट के आने के बाद पार्टी इलेक्शन ना होने की सूरत में बैट नहीं मिला, उसके अलावा बाकी जितने भी राइट्स थे उस पार्टी के वो मुतासिर नहीं हुए. आप हाँ या ना में जवाब दें.
My Lord, there is a review pending against that judgment.
Yes.
And one of the judges had open argument.
आगे बढ़ते हैं.
आगे बढ़ो.
इसको हाँ समझा जाए.
अगला वो करें.
My Lord, formulation number 5 is at page 14. My Lord, CMA 584.
Just on this thing, can you just factually, so except this gentleman, nobody else submitted PTI?
My Lord, may ye to be responsible and for my Lord, especially for my Lord, Mr. Jai, ये आप आंसर करें.
ये टिकट देख हैं मुझे नहीं, because there are
दूसरी पार्टी खुद कह देगी.
मेरी इंस्ट्रक्शन सर यही है. अभी can I move on by saying that? But I am.
You are saying it.
This will have a very serious effect. Please don't make a statement till you verify it from the record.
मैंने इनको कहा है कि मुझे 81 के 81 फॉर्म्स दिखाएं, मैं खुद से देखूंगा और मैं फिर
और उसके साथ ये भी आप देखेंगे कि क्या सर्टिफिकेट था या नहीं.
आगे बढ़ें.
चलिए.
My Lord, formulation number 5.
जी. एक सवाल पे ये जो पेज 11 पे उर्दू में जो लिखा हुआ, इन्होंने दरख्वास्त दी आपको सिकंदर साहब.
सर मैं को खोल रहा हूँ.
ये पेज 11 पे उर्दू में इन्होंने कहा कि शटल कॉक दे.
जी.
ठीक.
जी.
ये वैसे थे इनके, अगर आप नॉमिनेशन पेपर देख लें, बेशक इन्होंने सर्टिफिकेट एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट पीटीआई का सबमिट किया, लेकिन डिक्लेरेशन उन्होंने दी है सुन्नी इत्तेहाद. ब्रैकेट में लिखा है कि अलायंस, लेकिन बेसिकली डिक्लेरेशन वाज इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ सुन्नी इत्तेहाद. अब जब इन्होंने एप्लीकेशन आपको दी कि बैट नहीं मिल रहा, शटल कॉक दे दो, तो 67(2) के तहत आप उसको मना कर सकते थे कि माँ सिवाय आपके घोड़े.
ये पेज 14 देखिए, पेज 14 पे तो इनका भी नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है. पढ़ लेना, पेज 14 निकाले ना प्लीज.
क्वेश्चन बीच में रह गया.
सिकंदर साहब, पेज 14 प्लीज, पेज 14 देखिए. आई एम प्रेजेंट एफिलिएटेड विद पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ नजरियाती. ये इनका साहिबजादा साहब का फॉर्म है.
मेरा क्वेश्चन वहीं पे है सिकंदर, मेरा क्वेश्चन वहीं पे है. देखिए हम बाकी दरख्वास्तों पे नहीं जाएंगे.
सर मैं I couldn't reach that.
सिकंदर प्लीज.
I was not allowed. I'm sorry.
अब 3 चीजें हो गई ना जनाब.
सर ये हुआ है, ये 3 हुए.
एक मिनट.
पहले उन्होंने
सुनिए, पहला आया पीटीआई का अपना सर्टिफिकेट. ठीक.
तो नहीं, उसे एक पहले शुरू करते हैं. पहले उन्होंने नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म में कहा सुन्नी इत्तेहाद ब्रैकेट्स पीटीआई अलायंस.
यहाँ पे रुक जाए.
सर एक सेकंड मैं आपको इस सीक्वेंस से ले जाऊं. प्लीज सर एक सेकंड.
मेरा क्वेश्चन बीच में.
मैं आपका सवाल ले लेता हूं, बट माय लॉर्ड दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द होल बेंच.
पूछ रहा हूं, जरा आप पहले सुन लीजिए ना.
आप नोट करें. देखिए मेरा
बाद में दे दीजिएगा उनको.
मेरा क्वेश्चन सिंपल ये है, आप यहाँ पे रुक जाए, अभी अच्छी जगह है. मेरा क्वेश्चन सिंपल है कि जब उन्होंने सुन्नी इत्तेहाद की तरफ से जब नॉमिनेशन पेपर सबमिट कर फिर उन्होंने एप्लीकेशन दी कि ये निशान चेंज कर दिया जाए, क्या ये आप पे जिम्मेदारी नहीं थी कि आप कहते 67(2) के तहत कि आपको
सिंबल सुन्नी इत्तेहाद का जो घोड़ा है वो मिलेगा, इसके अलावा कोई और आपको नहीं मिल सकता, न बैट मिल सकता है। बैट आप बैठ कर
अब आप मजहर साहब का भी सवाल सुन
माय लॉर्ड भाई सुनिए, ये नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म
एक सवाल तो सुन लें।
बाय वन चलिए ना, पहले सुन्नी इत्तेहाद इन द नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म, पीटीआई का सर्टिफिकेट ऑन द 13 डिक्लेरेशन नजरियाती का, इन द नॉमिनेशन फॉर्म, अगर
स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन,
क्या ये अपनी पार्टी से रिजाइन करके इधर आए थे पीटीआई से?
सर मैंने भी, आई हैव वंडर्ड दिस, ही इज हियर,
if the court wants to ask, आधे इधर है आधे इधर है, तो आप वहाँ के चेयरमैन हैं आप।
बिल्कुल
आप इलेक्शन लड़े पीटीआई से, तो अपनी पार्टी तो
मुझे नहीं समझ आई, बिकॉज वो उनका ज्वाइनिंग लेटर जो है उसमें भी वो कहते हैं आई एम करंटली चेयरमैन।
हाउ ही कैन जॉइन द अनदर पार्टी?
आई एम नॉट क्लियर सर, आई एम नॉट
टू हिज ओरिजिनल पेरेंट,
सर आई एम नॉट क्लियर, एंड दैट्स अ valid question. The honorable member for parliament who now he's present, I understand, he could perhaps clarify that he took 4 different stances.
वो अपने डिक्लेरेशन में
मेरा है सर,
अपने डिक्लेरेशन में कह रहे हैं 63 अप्लाई होगा।
आप अपने सबमिशन करें। हाँ,
5 on page 14. तो ये, but sir that is true, all of this.
अपने फॉर्म में कह रहे हैं 63 अप्लाई होगा।
जी खुद से
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद भी तो छोड़ के इधर आए हो ना।
Sir I don't want to go into it, but this is a very valid point.
क्या ये बता सकते हैं आप कि ये जो नॉमिनेशन पेपर है, प्रेफरेंस आप उसको देंगे या कोई एक सब्सिक्वेंट एप्लीकेशन को देंगे?
आखिरी 13 तारीख को जो सबसे आखिरी रिक्वेस्ट आएगी उसको दूंगा ना सर। I let him make his choice. He says, I want to change my mind. I say, okay, you're still within time. So I take his very last one, and if he doesn't have one,
then for that matter, the nomination paper has to be changed.
So there is a defect in the nomination paper. We've already identified 2 defects.
उन्होंने जो nomination paper वो final हो गया, उस nomination paper के बाद 10 मरतबा वो कहते रहे।
Been observed, will go on substance, not
तो change नहीं हो सकता।
On substance. Lord, may I read nomination 5 at page 14? The election program is prepared and issued by the ECP in exercise of powers conferred under the Constitution and the Elections Act. And sir, मैंने आगे relevant sections दिए हैं सारे. The determination of election program is the exclusive constitutional mandate of the ECP.
कहाँ से पढ़ रहे?
Sir, ये page 14, concise statement, CM 5.
If you keep the mic before you.
Beg your pardon, sir. It is a requirement of the scheme of the Constitution and the Elections Act that the list of priority for seats reserved for women and non-Muslims of a political party in Form 66 is submitted, and scrutiny of the candidate in such Form 66 is completed at the same time as scrutiny of nomination forms of candidates for general seats. The sequence, its timing and process are more in consonance with democratic ideals, as it provides an opportunity to the voter to take into account the preference of a political party of its candidates on reserved seats for women and non-Muslims. This crucial opportunity and right of the voter will be lost should Form 66 be allowed to be filed after conclusion of a general election by a political party solely consisting of independents who joined since party pursuant to the proviso to the article. And my Lord, Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah had asked various counsel, and this is at least my answer to it, that why can't you have the list afterwards? And my Lord, in my humble submission, the most important factor that I humbly have identified is that indirectly at least, the voter gets to vote on the Form 66 because the entire process is completed before polling day. Today, if the prayer or the requests of the appellant are allowed, theoretically, and I will use an extreme example to make my point, theoretically, anyone in the sole discretion of the party head will be named, but the voters of this country, and the ECP has been repeatedly asked that you have to vote ko izzat do. बार के आप वोटर को इज्जत दें. So this is giving vote को, my Lord, izzat by recognizing and providing the voter with an opportunity to check or not vote for any of the above, to abstain or to vote for, because he has theoretically the complete picture available to him of any political party he wishes to support or not support. That opportunity is simply unavailable now. It is unavailable to the voter. There will be no vote. Yes, RO ke paas uska form jayega, but the voter will have, that's the only protection. And my lord, iska ek counter argument, I am now anticipating something, that, oh, the voter, you can give a list if your list is exhausted. But my lord, now may I come to section 104. And section 104 specifically says, and this is what the appellate party has done, because yesterday, I haven't seen those papers, my lord, because they were handed over to the court and they're not in CMs readily available to the ASCs. But it seems from what I heard that there is a form 66 by PTI and it has two, they've named two people each. And they took they took some legal strategic position, not the cleverest in my humble submission. They only gave two names. Baad mein hum add karte rahenge, because yes, I concede the law allows, the constitution allows that to be enlarged. But my lord, the law says, may give names of as many candidates as you can, even account for disqualifications of candidates. That ties in with what I have submitted, so that the voter knows that ye 4 disqualify bhi ho gaye. If you think you're gonna get 4 seats, give 40 names. That is the theme of section 143C3, my lord. So this is, I've just elaborated this, my lord. Next formulation.
Sikandar Saab, idhar.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Page 20 पे kindly आइए.
Page 20 of my lord.
जी जी, ये page 20 के ऊपर जो आपके nomination papers हैं, इसका जरा दोयम पढ़िएगा जरा.
My lord is referring to this paper book. जी, I'm sorry sir.
जी जी, जो आपने अभी दी है.
हाँ.
मैं पढ़ देता हूँ.
जी.
मेरा ताल्लुक सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल अलायंस PTI से है.
जी जी.
और मस्कूरा सियासी जमात की तरफ से जारी करदा सर्टिफिकेट जो कि ये जाहिर करता है कि मैं मस्कूरा बाला हाला इंतखाब से जमाती उम्मीदवार हूँ मुंसलिक है. Has this certificate ever been filed by this gentleman?
Oh, my lord, what we answered was that this gentleman.
Yes or no? You can.
My lord, he filed 3 different certificates. And his last
this
one
certificate. सुन तो लीजिए. This certificate with this gentleman.
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल का, my lord.
Is that of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, and not that of Sunni Ittihad Council. Then don't you think that the Iqrarnama and Bayan Halfi has become somewhat ineffective?
Or incorrect?
ये पेज 14 पे है ना, वो पेज 14 बताइए आप उनको ना. पेज 14 पे नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है.
सर देखिए वो बाद में जी. Then, but my lord, I think my Mr. Yes, my lord. I think I answered my lord's observation.
How is page 14 reconcilable with page 20?
2 declarations हैं इनके.
Yes. So I take the last one, no, sir. That's why. No, that's what the RO said.
What is page 14 क्या चीज?
They're not reconcilable readily.
ये तो oath है, statutory declaration that I am a present affiliated with the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati and a certificate from political party Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati showing that a party candidate from the above said constituency.
Sir, ऊपर आप देखिए section 66 लिखा हुआ है.
I'm saying a person. This is their document. This is nothing to do with you.
No, sir, I didn't create. This is what I'm saying.
So he is saying at one place at page 14 that he is Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Nazariyati, and I'm attaching the certificate. At page 20, he is saying I am Mushtarka candidate of Sunni Ittihad Council and Alliance of PTI.
ये पहले होगा उसके बाद.
At a third place he is saying.
ये सारे 13 के हैं.
At a third place he is saying that I am PTI, and there's no place he says that I'm Sunni Ittihad Council.
He says Sunni Ittihad, sir. I beg your pardon. He says Sunni Ittihad in the nomination form.
Is it the job of the returning officer or of the election committee thing to try to help him and say
no, actually I think you should join this political party?
If you had done that, then you would be a partisan in the system.
Yes.
उन्होंने फाइल किया, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है what do I make of this paper.
यही लिखा है कि these are their voluntary
and we keeping talking about PTI. PTI is not before us.
No, it's not, my lord, and I've said this in my next formulation. May I come to formulation 6, sir?
नहीं, ये डिक्लेरेशन बाद की डेट का है. ये डिक्लेरेशन जो है ना, ये पहला वाला पेज 20 पे है, 22/12/2023 का है. और ये जो स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन है,
एक तो सर वो नॉमिनेशन की डेट
12/1/2024 का है.
जी,
लेटेस्ट डिक्लेरेशन ये है जिसमें पीटीआई
तो ओथ है, इसके कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होते हैं कि ओथ पे कोई चीज गलत आप फाइल.
सर देखें सर, आई एम नॉट गोइंग इनटू दैट इंटेंशनली, ऑल ऑफ दैट. They were allowed to contest.
वो कागज देने का टुकड़ा एक अलग बात है, मगर ओथ पे डिक्लेरेशन तो एक अलग बात है ना.
ओथ जो है वो नजरियाती की है, पीटीआई नजरियाती.
ओथ जो है वो पीटीआईएन की है. The affidavit on oath.
I don't understand.
एक सादा खत है सर, एक statutory एक declaration on oath in nomination form है. There are two conflicting statements on oath. One statement of oath is, I belong to SIC and I will give you the ticket for SIC in due course. The second conflicting affidavit is, I am part of PTIN. It's a sworn affidavit. And ऊपर उसके आप देखें तो उसने Section 66 Elections Act का जिक्र भी किया हुआ है. My lord, I'll move on to my formulation 6. The understanding of Articles 51(6)(d), 51(6)(c) and 106(3)(c) and Section 104 of the Elections Act, urged by the appellant.
Sorry,
I beg your pardon,
I
sir.
was not paying attention.
It's on page 15, sir, of my CMA, sir.
Can you repeat?
Yes, sir, of course. Formulation 6. The understanding of Articles 51(6)(d), 51(6)(e) and 106(3)(c) and Section 104 of the Elections Act, urged by the appellant, is contrary to the very text of the said articles and section. It asks the court to both read into the said articles and simultaneously fail to give effect to the section. Whereas the understanding the ECP has applied to its order of 1-3 is based on a plain and proper reading and application of the said articles.
Is 1-3 order challenged before the Peshawar High Court? Is that the one?
जी ये इधर आ गया है जी जो आप.
अच्छा, दूसरा ऑर्डर का बार-बार तस्करा है वो?
सर वो 25 का है, वो हाई कोर्ट का है. I think my lord is asking about another order. I'll come to that. That has, in my submission, nothing to do with anything. With
I didn't see it because I don't know.
My lord, that is filed by Mr. Salman Akram Raja, and it is also in the additional papers of civil appeal. May I come to it in a few moments?
Fine.
But it's there, and I can give my lord the reference.
How long will you take, Mr.? Just want to ask.
My lord, once I finish these formulations, for my lord's assistance, I will just read, show one more sample.
Just tell us how long. We're not saying stop, I'm saying...
Half an hour, my lord, at most. My lord, I'm actually terrible at predicting how long I take. I can be stopped. If my lord would like a break, I would be happy to have one.
We don't want to cut you short, but the judges also, we are also, after all, you may consider as human.
My lord, मैं खुद से, my lord, we can easily. My lord, I am mere mortal, and that's all.
I know you also.
I am just mere mortal.
You're younger than us, so we can take liberty.
My lord, rapidly aging. My lord, we can take a short break, जी.
तो tomorrow जरा मुश्किल होगा, परसों कर लेते हैं.
ठीक है.
They'll also give you some breathing space and others to digest all that you said.
And then I can go through the 81 forms and
I
give
would
ladyship.
like to leave a question for you.
जी बिल्कुल.
कि आपके बड़े अच्छे ये 6 formulations किए हैं. But in your 6th formulation, you haven't explained anywhere, which I think is critical to your case, is the idea of proportional representation.
I'll address it when because
it's not a formulation. You don't think it's relevant? Well, how the whole article is about proportional representation.
The whole article, ladyship, I'll be submitting is not just about.
All right, it's not just, but it's based on that concept, and a concept which abhi tak nobody has explained what does it mean.
I will endeavor to assist ladyship. Because, and ladyship, can I just make one personal statement as counsel. I meant no disrespect. It was in anything I've said to anyone on this bench. This is a full court bench.
When did you
all of you have been counsel.
I missed that if you were disrespectful.
I'm sorry, sir.
I said if you were disrespectful, I missed that.
Oh,
now
thank
you want
you,
to remind us of that?
No, my lord. I've never said this. Strike from the record.
Instant replay भी हो सकता है.
अच्छा एक चीज आपको एक आपको बात बताते चलें because I had asked कि ये PTIN is a registered party and it's apparently at serial number 89 of your website.
जी.
So it's a registered party, proper registered party.
It's enlisted. Sir, हम लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं enlisted है.
Not registered.
There is no the concept is enlistment of a party because
it still is.
It is.
अच्छा. उसका कौन head?
No idea, sir. I check.
उनका कोई है?
जरूर उनका कोई चेयरमैन तो होना चाहिए.
Member Parliament में कोई है उनका?
No, sir. PTIN did not then, as to my knowledge, field any contesting candidates.
ये बता दें उनके आपकी वेबसाइट पे अख्तर इकबाल डार का नाम है.
I'm sorry, sir.
PTI की कोई रिजर्व लिस्ट फाइल हुई थी?
PTI की रिजर्व लिस्ट फाइल हुई थी जो फॉर्म 66
रिकॉर्ड पे हमें दिखा दीजिएगा जब सुनाएंगे.
आप दे देंगे.
सर आप ऐसा करें.
और वो फॉर्म 33 of all these independent candidates.
लीडरशिप जो पंजाब के सारे हैं ना वो किस पेज पे लगे हैं?
आप अलग से पेपर बुक में हमें दें their nomination.
ये सिकंदर साहब जरा प्रोपोर्शनल
I will. सर देखिए मैंने 51 पढ़ना है और अपना उस पे सबमिशन देना है और 104 पढ़ना है.
104 and proportional representation.
Yes, I will come to it, sir.
इनको ना देते तो क्यों नहीं देते और अगर खाली
बिल्कुल I will address that.
Important.
I will definitely address that, my lord.
Sir, would you like to fix this?
या मैं ऐसा करते हैं ये बुकलेट्स आपको वापस दे देते हैं.
सर आप ये हमें दे दें.
ये मैं अपना मेरा जो इनिशियल है ये वाला मुझे ही दीजिएगा. अच्छा ठीक है. इसको
ये आप रख ले मैं आपको एक नई दूंगा. I know a lot of trees are being wasted. I would be happy to take them back.
Fix it.
So I've written Alexander on it, so could you get that?
Thank you, sir.
सिकंदर.
Sir, these will be given.
सिकंदर.
They look better when my lord.
सिकंदर अगर एक काम और कर.
Of course, sir.
Because we can't stay in a bubble.
जी sir.
अगर आप place on record during, before and after the elections, what nature of complaints you had received, particularly of level playing fields, and what probes were made, and were they made accountable or not, so that we can view this matter
My lord,
in a
shall I treat
context.
that as a direction of the court and I'll file it, but I have no...
I didn't hear it.
My lord, I have been asked to file all complaints received before, during and after the election by the ECP, along with a report on what actions we took on those reports.
I think that's not part of these proceedings. I mean, it's a full court. We don't want to go on endlessly.
I think
there's a list before us.
Since there is a political party,
My lord, I'll leave that if I may
to be
for an order and I'll comply with it.
Is there any petition in this behalf in respect of those
My lord, मैं सिर्फ काउंसिल हूँ ECP का इस एक केस में.
चलिए हम ऑफिस से पूछते हैं अगर कोई petition
देखिए हम एक तरफ 184(3) को हर आदमी कहता है बहुत नाजायज इख्तियार, दूसरी तरफ सॉरी मैं I'm very conservative in this. We have to see this.
My lord, this is a 185(3). I'm very clear about.
Yes, it is.
And 187 has its limits.
चलें तो we'll convene day after inshallah at 11:30.
Okay, sir.
So we can start the regular work as well, which is suffering.
बिल्कुल sir.
ठीक है, and try to be as brief, and I would make the same request of all the others to be as brief as possible.
I will. My lord, may I thank the bench for its patience with me.
No, thank you.
Thank us when you are concluded.
We thank all the council who have
It is a privilege, my lord.
Including you, Faisal Saab and Salman
Lord,
Saab.
I thank you for smiling.
Sometimes we get a bit.
No, for smiling so much today because I wasn't arguing.
I think you owe him a cup of tea.
नहीं मुझे तो अब आज डिस्कवर किया कि सिकंदर is a great fan of PMLN क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा वोट को इज्जत दो. तो वेरी हैप्पी टू हियर दैट।
Whose fan are you? वो भी डिस्क्लोज कर दें। Whose fan are you? अगर आप ये उन पे डिग लिया है तो अब आप अपना डिस्क्लोजर
घर पे बहुत डांट
नहीं नहीं अभी बताइए ना, आप बताइए ना। नहीं अब आप बताइए ना, आपने उनको
सर आई एम अ फैन ऑफ योर लॉर्डशिप स्माइल।
नहीं ये मुनासिब बात
सर फैसला जो करें बस हंसते रहे।
नहीं मुनासिब बात ये नहीं है जो
मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ, लाइक कराची से आया तो नॉट अ सेफ आंसर टू गिव एनीवे।